So as I become more conscious and aware about my diet and what's healthy and what's not healthy, I've actually been looking at cooking a lot, and I've been looking for an authoritative source that covers just about every aspect of cooking from the basics to the advanced. And so I found this course called the Everyday Gourmet. It is designed by the Great Courses, and it's put on by the Culinary Institute of America by a chef that is now passed away, but he's trained probably tens of thousands of students. So the Everyday Gourmet course actually goes through a lot of different things. Right now, I'm going through the basic course, which goes to show you, what kind of tools you need, what kind of techniques you need, the basic types of cooking techniques. And this is quite extensive. I mean, just this one course is 14 hours, and I probably go through about a course a day, so it's going to take a while to go through everything. But beyond that, there are a lot of specialty courses out there. There's one that covers vegetables, there's one that covers desserts. And so this is about 2 years of content that I'm probably going to be consuming. You can access the course a number of ways. There are the great courses. I think they charge you a lot of money a month though for a subscription. I'm on Kanopy right now. If you have a library card, you can log on for free, and they give you so many credits a month, so you can watch a lot of these courses for free. I think Apple TV also has the courses on right now. So there are less expensive ways to access it, but I've definitely enjoyed going through this course so far, and I intend to learn quite a bit